got an S8 replacement screen. Well, kinda. It's destroyed but working. And a completely dead S8 that I'm gonna take the guts out of and put into this guy. And let's start thinking about this thing, because I had already cracked it open for testing purposes. So I already put into this shell. I mean, this is just redoing the thing. So yeah. Unplug the bed. There you go. Yank this out, yank this out, yank this, yank this. Yank this out, yank this out. Don't forget to take out the SIM tray, because you will not be able to take out the motherboard if you don't. I mean, you can do that if you don't have a struggle with it, but take out the SIM tray. There you go. Maybe move between things. There's the logic board. Get out the cameras, and since it's a broken screen, might as well take out the good parts too. Do I have a pot? No, I don't. I picked up my pot spin because I actually chopped it there. Right, so next thing I need to yoink out is this cable. And last thing I need to unscrew is the charging port of it. Put this back there. There you go, put you right there. Where's the front facing camera? Where is it? Front facing camera. I had it somewhere. Oh, there it is. There's the front facing camera. This camera back in. There you go. Put this into here. Right into here. Put the back into here, and yes, the IMEI does match to the phone that I'm putting on, so it's not like old junky parts. Like everything in this phone matches except the screen. For that, I will cut my ribbon cable to ribbons. See if it functions at best. So, tip: do not do what I did just now. Plug in the battery, then the screen. Do it vice versa. But still, got the charging port assembly. Okay, good. We still have a working screen, so it's not lost right now. Okay. it's warm, very warm to touch now. The touch works. Okay, hot, and you can see there's no signal because it doesn't have the charging port. So I can say, oh, I have a live demo. The thing is hot now. Camera. Oh. Okay, camera works, so all good. I think that's way more useful. Right. So, yeah. No, power off, please. Thank you. Happy to not burn my hands alive. Right, so everything works. Just need to put the charging port assembly back to it, back where it came from. There, simple. In the future I want to make this to this, so have a clear back on it, like on my devices, all of my devices have clear backs. Don't want to make that a reality. Take this. Take this smashed back for now, because I don't have another back for this. I'm gonna make a how to make a clear back on the S8, and well, I was about to yank my SM Plus, but I'm recording currently on it, so I can't. Let's see if I have broken it. Okay, we have turning on action. We have okay, we have working action too on this guy. Let's get started doing. Okay, there you go. Second to wake up from its sleeping slumber. Okay, sound works. Vibration works. And how I know sound works. So go here. And let's say, oh, see less than 2. It works! Yeah. Does the cameras work? Yep, cameras work. Actually, does the screen work like before? Like, okay, the red, you can see, green, blue. But yeah, you can see it's all working. Does LED work? Yep. All colors. Grip sensor work? Yep, works. But does it work? So, sensors. Does my fingerprint scanner work? Okay, there you go. I mean, it mostly passes, so it's there and it works. And what hardware info says, because tech apps, hardware info. It's an S8. It's an S8 Exynos 4 gigs of